React inatumika wapi? Front end web development, inairahisisha front end web development. So jinsi ya kuanzisha, open your terminal hapo, and then simple npm create vet, try tumia vet at latest, nipatie muda kiasi, ndio ishaanza. So kuja hapa, itakwambia project name anything you want, and then choose React, TypeScript, kuna TypeScript, JavaScript. So we'll just go with the vanilla JavaScript, na ndio hiyo. So kuja cd in to your car, cd to your project, and then npm install. That one will take a bit of time, itachukua muda kiasi. Ngoja reload. So unafuatilia tu the process, npm create vet at latest, and then project name, the name anything unahitaji, and then choose React, and then JavaScript, and then cd in, cd to your call, that means to cd to your project name, and then npm install, and then npm run dev. So ukisha install, imeshamaliza kuinstall, sema npm run dev, na ndio project yetu ina run at localhost 5173. Kuja kuiona the React. Yeah, so on the right here, hizi ni folder zetu ambazo zimekuwa created. Ndio hizi ni project ambayo imekuwa created za React. So we'll come here, tutaanza hapa. So yeah, that's how you start your React.